RodlerBead makes it easy.
Welcome. Here you'll see the difference between casing bead and Rodler bead being used to form the flexible seal between a window and a stucco wall.
Preparation and plastering was performed by Oliveira plastering professional Robert Gonzalez. Robert is experienced with casing bead but had never seen or used Rodler bead before.
There are significant labor and material savings using Rodler bead instead of casing bead, and functional advantages too, especially compared to the unprofessional shortcut of using no flexible sealant between stucco and rigid fenestrations.
Rodler bead is applied to the fenestration surface by simple peel and stick. The only tool needed is a utility knife or scissors. Casing beads require a tape measure, sheet metal cutter, power screwdriver, screws, and a higher level of skill to achieve a constant gap width, not to mention a lot of tape.
Rodler bead was developed and patented by Micah Rodler, a water intrusion prevention expert with many years' experience analyzing water damage in construction. Rodler bead's patented integral masking adhesive makes for quick and easy mask attachment. No tape needed.
At this point, the Rodler bead window is ready for plastering. The running timer shows the time savings compared to the casing bead process. We'll speed it up more here so you don't have to sit through all this wasted time.
Masking the casing bead window requires masking both the slot and the window using much time and tape.
The plastering process is the same regardless of the bead style. Both the Rodler bead and the casing bead provide a screed surface for leveling the stucco. After plastering, a period of time is required for the stucco to set up before the sealing can be done. Masking removal is similar, although there are 2 layers of masking on the casing bead because of the separate slot. Rodler bead masking removal also removes the outer portion of the Rodler bead foam, leaving a backer rod already in place. The casing bead window now requires the installation of backer rod. In the case of the Rodler bead, the backer rod is already there.
The Rodler bead gapping material is a 3/8 inch wide closed cell foam perforated at 3/8 inch below the screed face so that when the masking is removed, a clean 3/8 inch by 3/8 inch sealant channel is ready to seal. The sealant bonds to both the window frame and the stucco directly, unlike the casing bead design where both sealant and stucco must bond to the casing bead, which may still retain its milling oil. Rodler bead gives us the professional 2-sided sealant installations that are recommended even when not specified by the project designer and/or the sealant manufacturer.
The sealant application is the same in either case.
In this example of flexible sealing around a small window, the time savings using Rodler bead was 9 3/4 minutes. For larger windows or fenestrations, that savings will be larger.
If matching stucco and sealant have been used, the Rodler bead window is complete. The casing bead window still needs masking and painting. The flexible sealant prevents differential expansion cracks between the stucco and the window. With Rodler bead, that has been accomplished. With casing bead, there still remains a crack potential between the stucco and the bead. Wait, stop the music. So 4 of those 6 tasks associated with plastering around these small windows were shortened significantly by using Rodler bead. Those are minutes on the lower axis. The blue bars show the time taken on the casing bead window, and the orange bars show the time taken for the Rodler bead window. Check out the cumulative effect for those tasks associated with this one small window. Those are minutes on the left axis. Imagine the savings on larger windows or whole projects with many windows and doors. And finally, consider the difference in materials and tools, many times needing to go up ladders.
RodlerBead makes it easy.